In this video, I'll show you how to create Hulu account. I'll show you can be able to sign up for Hulu. This video is only for educational purposes only. So come on here, open your Chrome, type in Hulu. So click on it, it's going to load up. So I'm going to click on the first option. So what you need to do now, you need to click on this. You need to click on this try Hulu. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load up. Okay, so this is it. So it's currently loading. So I'm gonna use for tests tutorials 6 at gmail.com. Click on continue. I'm gonna wait for it to load up. I'm gonna confirm this. Yeah. So I'm gonna just come on here and create my details. So try it from your own end. Create all your details here. Once you're done, you're going to be able to click on this agree and continue, and from here you can be able to create your Hulu account. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.